Local chefs just ended a one-month training opportunity put on by the National Skills Development Center in partnership with the Taiwan Technical Mission that exposed participants to new international flavors, techniques, and exchange of culinary traditions.
Over the past years, our bilateral relation between Taiwan and St. Lucia has been transforming more beyond government to government relation. This has become almost a family-like kind of feeling. And I think what we're doing today, this month, has been what families are doing. We sat at kitchen tables, we discuss our menus, we share our food and drinks and so on. And then this is exactly what families are bonding together, the way that through this workshop, I think we are achieving that goal.
Ambassador Su stressed on the significance of such an initiative, which showcased Taiwanese traditions.
Including in the menu, I was told that you have the Taiwanese style fried chicken cutlets, fried popcorn chicken, the braised pork rice, and beef noodles. These are all the traditional Taiwanese food. The recipes may seem simple, but each and every one of these dishes represent a Taiwanese culture and our proud tradition.
General Manager of the National Skills Development Center, Dr. Selma Senpri, observed that there was a wonderful fusion between Taiwanese and St. Lucian cuisine during the working sessions.
Because if you notice, a lot of things Taiwanese has been happening here. And a lot of trips, a lot of studying in Taiwan. There's a lot of stuff. There's a marriage between St. Lucia and Taiwan. So we really look forward to future things. But just today, I want to especially welcome you to this special occasion.
Sessions were held by Chef Nikos Anthony, who recently returned from a cultural and professional exchange visit to Taiwan. Participants also got an opportunity to express their views on the experience of the workshops.
I just got to know Kim here, but we had to work along with each other for the month. And I got to love her and appreciate her because she's so understanding and she listens very well. So basically, when we started the course, we had to go through the recipes, and little by little, she's like, Chantel, make sure we do it right. Make sure we do it right. But at the end of it all, I just want to say a huge thank you to the Taiwanese people, because they've really blessed us, and the ties with St. Lucia and Taiwan and the fusion of the food, it feels like we're in Taiwan at the same time.
Officials noted the collaboration highlights the NSDC's ongoing commitment to elevating the standards of culinary arts in St. Lucia, while strengthening international partnerships and expanding opportunities for local professionals. From the Ministry of Education, Youth Development, Sports and Digital Transformation, I'm Ryan O'Brien.